Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. It is that time of year when we have to start preparing ourselves for Christmas, and in today's video I've got my first Christmas project for you, which is super quick, beautiful and easy. I'm going to use this beautiful cutting die from Crafter's Companion, and it's called A King is Born, and it comes from Nativity Nature's Garden collection. I'm going to use 300 GSM white stamping card, and I'm going to die cut the outer element twice and also the intricate element twice from white card and once from gold mirror card for that extra shine and sparkle for our project to give it even more interest. And literally that's everything we need for our project. With the intricate element I put two together using liquid glue for that extra dimension, and trust me, it is really worth the effort. Now I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, and I'm going to attach my intricate panel to the back base. And this project is perfect for any hanging Christmas decorations, perfect as a handmade Christmas gift, and also as a tag, or you can actually use it to decorate your beautiful Christmas cards. So I really encourage you to give it a try. If you have any excess of the glue, you can use a pokey tool, which is super quick and easy, and trust me, it is worth that time. And the most difficult part for every single project is decide to use what colors you want. Obviously with Mary, I went with the blues. And I'm going to use Classique markers by Spectrum Noir, and for Mary I use TB1, TB4, TB7 and IB3, and all the names of the products I use will be in the description down below, so you can check them out if you want. Actually, for this project you can use any markers you want. They can be alcohol markers, aqua markers, zig markers, you name it. You can choose whatever is in your stash. However, I really encourage you to start with the light, middle and dark color for a really beautiful blend. And as you can see, I usually go over with the lighter color later on for that beautiful blend. I really hope you like this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I decided to create Christmas projects every Thursday, and you will find those videos on my channel. And they will come on every Thursday, as I said, and they will be at 5:45 UK time, which is BST. However, next video I've got something special for you, where I'm going to use one cut and emboss folder and one edgeable die to create 3 different cards. So actually they will appear on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And then from the following week, just have a look at all different Christmas projects, and as usual my other projects will be on my channel on Mondays, again at 5:45, so stay tuned for those projects. Okay, so coming back to this first Christmas hanging ornament here. As you can see, I'm using a variety of different markers because actually you can mix and match them. In this case, I'm using this beautiful tri-blend marker, and it is so beautiful, and it's called Citrus Blend. And again, as I said, all the names of those markers will be in the description down below, so if you're interested, check it out. Also, in the top right corner, you can check my other Christmas project where I created Christmas stepper cards. There are 3 different stepper cards, and I actually show you step by step how to create them. It is super quick and easy, and I really encourage you to try some of them. Okay, so with this intricate die, you actually have extra small bit that we just have to put it on Joseph, because otherwise he will be missing a part of his face, and that's not what we want, right? Okay, so my question is actually, if you were a kid, how many Christmas projects did you make before Christmas? Because I usually made some beautiful window decorations, some Christmas tree decorations, and also some gifts. I wonder, what did you make? And how did you make them? Because when I was 7 years old, my mom gave me my first craft knife to create my own Christmas stencils. And trust me, from that time, that my crafting journey began. And yes, I do have a craft knife still, not the same as that when I was a kid, but different one. And I still love using craft knife in my all paper craft projects. I wonder, how did you start your crafting journey? Do you remember your first project? Please let me know in the comments down below. And here you can actually see I'm using a tri-blend alcohol marker, and I'm using light, middle and dark. And if you create that beautiful blend, always go with the light color first, cover the whole surface, then use that middle color, go over with darker color, go with middle again, and lighter color on top. And trust me, when that alcohol evaporates, you'll have really beautiful blend. And I really like alcohol markers for that reason. However, as I said before, you can use anything to color that project. I also wonder, how many Christmas ornaments do you make each year? This year I decided to give my family this particular project with a Christmas card, and I wonder what they will tell me when they see those, because on the back you can actually write some messages, and literally you can either put it on a Christmas tree or hang it on a window. Where would you like to put this one particular one? Please let me know. And now I'm going to put that beautiful mirror card intricate die cut on top for that extra sparkle and interest. And again, I'm using my pokey tool to get rid of that extra bit of glue. And as you can see, this project, it is super simple and quick, and I hope you'll feel inspired to create something similar. If you don't have this die, it doesn't matter, you can create your own project, but I really want you to create either a Christmas ornament or window decoration with any nativity scene. That would be absolutely beautiful, and trust me, it is worth the effort. Now I've got a bit of string and I'm going to attach it with liquid glue, and as you can see, when you use alcohol markers, the color bleeds through the card. That's why we created two bases for the project, and this way you actually cover everything and no one will ever see that the alcohol marker bled when you use them on your project. Super simple and quick. And if you have any excess glue, use a bit of tissue and a pokey tool. It will really save your project if you make any mistake. And this liquid glue actually dries clear, so no one will ever see it. And our project is done, and now I wanted to add that extra sparkle because I love that clear overlay by Spectrum Noir, and when it dries, oh wow, the shine is so beautiful. Have you ever used that clear overlay in your projects? Or maybe you have a Wink of Stella. If you have both of them, which one do you prefer? I use that one very often and I nearly put it on every single project. I love it so much. And when it dries, as I said, you get even more sparkle. I'm not sure if the camera catches it, but in real life it's so beautiful. And now you can see all my other hanging ornaments I created using the same dies here, but with different colors. Please let me know what is your favorite color combination here. I'm really curious. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. On the left you can also check my other video with mini Christmas wreath, and on the right Christmas scene cards with nesting dies. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week for 3 extra projects. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye!